Hello, hello. Hey, what up? What up? Hey, what up, Brianne? Hey, man, the vacation was lovely. It was real nice. Hey, what up, Kay Larson? We did a lot of eating pollo campero, pupusas, eating that good Salvadorian food. Hey, what's up, Matthew? What's the stats? What's the stats, Matthew? Let me see who else is in here. Gregory. Oh, that's right. Gregory Jr. signing with my Denver Broncos. That's right, Matthew. Thank you. Highly appreciate that. Just scrolled up, saw that. SME James, como estás, if you will. What up, Taco Balto? What's up, Shannon? How's it going? Welcome back to the last quarter of the night. Thank you for the daily heart, Shannon, if you will. And I think that's it. Let's go ahead and do a stats are good. So, hey, let's go ahead and make sure everything's working. Make sure we drop one. We can flush it. Drop one, flush one, if you will. Toma. All right, the pipas, the pipes are working. Let's go ahead and check out the toasty. Toasty. Hey, what up, Hector? James, I'm watching live. Yeah, I saw it, man. I saw that vehicle chase pop up on my. Should I play the vehicle chase for a minute while I wait for court to start? Let me see. Hold up. Hey, what up, Nico C? Yeah, I got the notification. I was thinking about it. Man, I should. That notification came out about 15 minutes ago. Chasing semi. Yeah, I saw that when he pulled somebody out. Yup. And yeah. Man, I love it, Lay. Let me see over here. Hey, thank you for the link. let me open this up right here. You see this? See the live chase right here.
Any sort of situation of that pickup truck driver getting in there and.
No, you got to make wide turns. You know that thing's not going to stop. It's going to just slow down even with the brakes. It looks like they actually turned on their emergency flashers on the truck. So something else that they throw in there.
Damn it.
So it's the one good thing is when they did stop that small white vehicle, that there wasn't any banging on the window or anything like that. They kind of just backed off of it right away. So even though the desperation is obviously there, they got to get away. They're doing everything they can. I was real happy to see that they didn't attack that suspect, that one vehicle, smash out the windows or anything like that. It looks like they have picked up some speed.
Hey, what up, Lex? What up, Lex?
70 miles per hour.
Damn.
So, the one thing with it comes with pretty much any agency, they may not be.
This is from earlier.
Of it. They have the air unit overhead, so they know they're being watched. That's one thing. Yeah. But as far as putting it black and white behind it with the lights and siren,
if you will.
Maybe they feel that this is going to be better to try to de-escalate the situation. And but they can always,
Damn, they're going 60 miles an hour on a semi?
Or they're.
Oh, and it looks like it has some type of flammable liquid on there.
At that point,
I'm no expert. I'm just saying.
They would re-engage.
In the
pursuit.
Okay, and
for now, go ahead.
Yeah, we just got word that this is a milking truck, and as we're watching,
a milking truck. Oops.
Following now into the.
I thought it was like some type of flammable liquid, like area. Gasoline.
So covering some ground here, and just to reiterate, because you made such a good point there when you talked about the moments that they tried to get into those cars and immediately backed off, either out of wanting to just get to the next car, but they didn't openly attack. It didn't appear, at least in that moment, that they were trying to use any kind of a weapon. That does not mean that they don't have a weapon. We're still trying to work to figure out exactly what.
Great, now milk prices are going up.
In this car right now, again, we're talking two individuals, so one and the driver's side, obviously, side as well. So they're working here in tandem, but it's just, again,
it is live. I think it says live right here.
Go on for as long as it has. You got to wonder how much
experience, especially with you, is that when and even given with.
Oh, damn! They're on the 210. Sepulveda and Silmar. What just happened? All right, they're losing the connection.
Rig, knowing that if
73 miles an hour,
try and get away, hence why they continue this pursuit.
If you will.
Why continue in something that is so large, drawing so much attention, so difficult.
Hey, what up, Kimberly Cruz?
So many more people in danger,
live chase.
The part of it is probably the least
big rig, the milk truck,
case.
if you will.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean,
we're waiting for court to start up right now.
You can't get anything bigger than this thing here, and this is just and the two of them. I'm trying to put it together. What
up, Becca?
What happened? Looks like CHP did re-engage the pursuit.
Right.
So maybe that's because the speeds have gone up. So, their incident commander decided, okay, let's go ahead, and like I mentioned before, it got to the point where, okay, now we're really worried about the safety of the public. Let's re-engage this pursuit. Let's throw a couple of black and whites behind it, lights and siren.
Hey guys, I'm about to start to stream up again. I'll be right back.
The public, that's what's going on.
I'd have to imagine, yes, that would probably be more so for the public, especially given this late at night, and when you're on the highway, you don't know really what's going on until you see those.
Especially if it's behind you.
Right,
you know,
exactly. But if you see the police
thinking.
lights and you see cruiser lights, you're.
I'm gonna close that down because I just got a violation. Because they didn't like that, so let's just go ahead and stick to the regular scheduled programming, if you will. It was getting a little bit muy caliente for the TT police, if you will. Gotta try to stay under the radar. One of my accounts is it's heavily restricted, so I'm not trying to get the other one restricted also. You see today's hearings. Bam. Okay, good. Got that up. Let me just set up this other account here. So court should be starting up in the next few minutes. Man, my eyes are dry, super dry. Let me see who's on this chat. Got milk. Right. What up, Maui? I can't see the video on YT. Yeah, I had to fix it. It took me a minute to get it up and running. Hey, what up, your favorite one? Welcome back. Welcome back to You Have a Collect Call from. Oh yeah, let me finish setting this up here, man. I get easily distracted over here, man. I'm like, you show me something shiny and I lose my train of thought. All right, court's starting up right now. All right, court is on. Court is in session here.
Thank you. You may be seated.
Hey, what up, Lynn? Hey, Shannon, thank you. Highly appreciate that.
Good evening. This is the time set for the 11 p.m. initial appearance calendar on August 10th, 2025. The court's orders for the taking of DNA and fingerprints that were given on the first calendar of this month shall apply to all matters on this calendar. I will call you each one at a time to the podium. I'll provide a second name to sit in the chair outside of this room. I will let you know what you are here for, if I have appointed an attorney, and if you have a bond or release conditions. If I could start with Miss West Keller to the podium.
Hey, what up?
And Miss Card to the chair.
Sancho.
May I get your name and date of birth?
Jordan West Keller, 10-6-95.
Thank you, ma'am. It does look like you are here on two cases. The first one is a new case. It is for one count of disorderly conduct, a Class 1 misdemeanor, and one count of assault, a Class 1 misdemeanor.
What up, Lindsay?
Probable cause has been found, and I am appointing an attorney to represent you in this case. You're also here on a warrant from the Buckeye Municipal Court. It looks like you failed to appear at a hearing related to a pending resisting arrest and knowingly touching with intent to injure somebody, a Class 3 misdemeanor. This warrant issued on August 6, 2025 at the Buckeye Municipal Court. I'm going to appoint an attorney in that case as well. You have an arraignment hearing August 20th at 1 p.m. in the Buckeye Municipal Court. That's for the warrant as well as your new charges, same date, time. You have a secured appearance bond in the amount of $2,500.
Don't be a Chad.
$500 on your warrant for a total of $3,000. In the event you post that bond, you will have conditions of release. You're not to return to the scene of the alleged crime, no contact with any alleged victim, complainant, or witness. All of that information will be in your paperwork. Did you have any questions?
So I'm not getting released until I post bond?
Correct.
Okay.
Anything else?
So, Your Honor, I'd like to ask that you reconsider the probable cause for my assault charge for this new case based on the evidentiary basis that I have self-inflicted wounds from the...
Self-inflicted wounds?
That I went to my cousin with the intent to hurt him when I actually just wanted to hurt myself. I have pictures from the cop in Buckeye who took pictures of my wounds.
She's giving me anxiety.
So I did not intend to hurt him with the assault with the new case.
And I appreciate that information, ma'am. However, the information provided to me today does indicate that the alleged victim in this case did feel threatened based on the circumstances. So I am going to find probable cause.
He was in the room.
I have appointed an attorney to represent you, so I'm not finding you guilty here today. You do have the chance to have a trial if you indeed choose to do so.
Okay.
And I have appointed counsel, so you can talk to your attorney about those issues, okay?
Okay. I would just like to be asked to be released on recognizance just based on the fact that I can make court now that I have a phone and I have different basis of being able to make court. I feel much safer to ask my family. I don't feel like violently threatened by my family anymore. My grandma pointed sharp objects at me, and
your
I've been
grandma
scared to talk to them in person like a lot of the time. So I think that I should be released on recognizance.
Not the granny.
You could try to give me I don't know. I don't really know what it's called right now, but it's where I report to them with like alcohol and drug. I am sober, so
super sober.
So you mentioned your grandparents, and those are some of the alleged victims in this case. So you were prohibited from contacting. Yes. So it does look like it indicates that a part of this incident began as a result of you being at their house and yelling at them and things of that nature. So they are alleged victims in this case.
Okay.
So you are prohibited from contacting
your
grandparents, along with...
Who thinks she's going to lose it? And she's going to get escorted out of here.
Location. So you're prohibited from contacting the mail as well.
Okay.
The bond is going to remain here tonight. You will have to post bond in order to be released. If you don't post bond, you'll remain in custody until your hearing on August 20th. At that time, when you meet with your attorney, if they feel like it's appropriate to ask for a modification of these release conditions, they can do so. But
when can I meet with my attorney?
You will meet with your attorney at the hearing on August 20th. And that will be at the Buckeye Municipal Court for both the previous warrant as well as the current charges. If you'll step to your left, the officer will give you that paperwork.
Okay.
Hey, what up, Jason? What up, Danny?
Ms. Card to the podium. Mr. Perez to the chair. May I get your name and date of birth? Thank you, ma'am. It does look like you are here on a new case. It is for one count of aggravated assault on a minor, a Class 6 felony. Probable cause has been found, and I'm appointing an attorney to represent you. You are going to have a status conference August 15th at 8:30, a preliminary hearing August 19th at 8:30. Those are both in the Maricopa County Superior Court on 175 West Madison Street. You have a secured appearance bond in the amount of $2,500. In the event you post that bond, you do have written conditions of release. You may not return to the scene of the alleged crime, no contact with any alleged victim, complainant, or witness. All of that will be in your paperwork. Did you have any questions?
Am I being released?
You would have to post a bond of $2,500 in order to be released. If that bond is not posted, you'll remain in custody until at least your next hearing on August 15th.
All right, thank you.
Anything further?
No.
Okay, just step to your left. The officer will give you that paperwork.
Hey, what up,
Mr.
Nicole?
Perez to the podium. Mr.
Hey, what up,
Cabrera
Peachy?
to the chair.
Hey, she definitely need a flush for that one. It's no bueno.
May I get your name and date of birth?
Ricardo Perez, October 7, 1995.
Thank you, sir. It does look like you are here on 2 failure to appear bench warrants that were issued for you. The first one relates to an endangerment and DUI charge. The second one is for drug charges.
Wow.
I am affirming the attorney previously appointed to represent you in each of these cases. You will have a status conference August 12th at 8:30 in the downtown Superior Court. That hearing date does apply to both cases. You have a secured appearance bond in the amount of $1,000 in each case for a total of $2,000. In the event you post that bond, you have written conditions of release. You may not possess weapons or alcohol, and you must contact your probation officer within 72 hours.
Yes, ma'am.
If you fail to appear at that hearing, another warrant will issue, and you will forfeit any bond you may have posted. All of that will be in your paperwork. Did you have any questions?
No, not really.
Okay, just up to your left. The officer will give you that paperwork.
Hey, what up, Kendra? What up,
Mr.
Megan?
Cabrera to the podium.
Hey,
Mr.
Kimberly.
Davis to the chair.
The vacation was great till I came back home and I got detained. I got sent to secondary by Border Patrol, by CBP, if you will.
How you doing, miss?
May I get your name and date of birth?
Pedro Cabrera, 12/19/2000.
Thank you, sir. It does look like you are here on a new case.
Yes.
It is for one count of aggravated DUI, a Class 4 felony. One count of narcotic drug possession, a Class 4 felony. One count of drug paraphernalia possession, a Class 6 felony. And one count of criminal damage, a Class 2 misdemeanor. For purpose of this hearing only, I am not finding probable cause for the aggravated DUI. I do not have any information at this time to indicate that your license is currently suspended or revoked. That does not mean the charge is dismissed. The county may move forward with those. I am finding probable cause for the other 3 counts. I'm appointing an attorney and setting a status conference August 15th at 8:30 and a preliminary hearing August 19th at 8:30. You have a secured appearance bond in the amount of $2,000. In the event you post that bond, you have written conditions of release. You are not to possess any drugs without a valid prescription, and you may not drive a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license. You'll need to ensure you attend these hearings. If you fail to appear at any of them, a warrant will issue, and you'll forfeit any bond you've posted. Did you have any questions?
So my bond, how much is my bond?
You have a bond of $2,000.
Right now, my bond to get out.
In order to be released from custody, you would have to post your bond of $2,000. If you don't post bond, you'll remain in custody until at least your next hearing on August 15th.
Okay.
Anything further?
No.
Okay, we'll need to reprint number 20. If you'll take a seat out there, they'll bring you that paperwork, okay?
Hey, you know what was the worst part?
Davis to the podium.
The worst part of that experience was that my daughter was with me. My wife was like, you see, you did it now. You just couldn't help yourself, couldn't you? I was like, man, I didn't even do nothing. I was answering
Mr. Baker to the podium.
I was answering her questions.
Ms. McCarthy to the chair.
I'm innocent, I tell you, innocent. Hey, what up, Bren?
May I get your name and date of birth?
Armand Baker, 6/16/83.
Thank you, sir. It does look like you have 2 cases on the calendar this evening. It's 2 probation violation warrants with allegations you violated terms 3, 5, and 15.
Why are you screaming?
I am appointing an attorney and setting a probation revocation hearing August 18th at 8:30. You have a secured appearance bond in the amount of $750 in one case, $500 in the other, for a total of $1,250. In the event you do post that bond, you have written conditions of release. You may not possess weapons or alcohol, and you must contact your probation officer within 24 hours of release. All of that will be in your paperwork. Did you have any questions?
No, thank you.
Okay, just up to your left, sir. They'll give you that paperwork. Ms. McCarthy to the podium.
Hey, because
David Petro to the chair.
Crime never stops. Crime don't sleep. Everybody's always criming, if you will.
Well, get your name and date of birth?
She came ready.
McCarthy, 5/27/1976.
Thank you, ma'am. You are here on a failure to appear bench warrant. It relates to pending drug charges. I am affirming the attorney previously appointed to represent you and setting a status conference August 20th at 8:30 a.m. You do have a cash bond in the amount of $1,000. In the event you post that bond, you have written conditions of release. You're not to possess any drugs without a valid prescription, and you may not drive a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license. You also will need to ensure you attend this hearing. If you fail to appear at it, another warrant will issue, and you'll forfeit any bond you may have posted. All of that will be in your paperwork. Did you have any questions?
I'm going to... So, yeah.
Spit it out.
I know you probably won't reconsider the $1,000, so I'm back here because I have to put my mom into memory care. I'm the only one here to do that, and I don't have $1,000, and I missed the court date because
you didn't show up.
Actually,
you didn't go.
I didn't know it was happening because I was out of state, but I don't. It was only because I didn't go to the I missed the Zoom meetings. I went to the initial court dates, and then I had to leave state. But I promise I'll go if you'll let me out on my own recognizance. I mean, I will go. But I need to be there for my... And I called and I checked to ask... I asked if there was a warrant out for me because I called the police to my house today. You know, I mean, I wasn't trying to hide. My card was stolen, and that's how it happened, that I got arrested tonight. But
They stole their car?
I mean, I don't have any...
I think her mouth might be dry.
Be in any more trouble, but really...
I'm just looking at your...
Hey, thank you, Rick.
Case really quick.
Hey, CG5811. Thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate it.
So where are you residing now? Don't give me your full address, but what city and state are you residing in?
In Phoenix.
And how long have you been in Phoenix?
Back since May.
Is she going to give her a break? Do you guys think she's going to let her go? Is she buying her story?
Because of my mom.
Is she picking up what she's putting down?
And what state were you in prior to?
New Mexico.
You know what? She should have been wearing a red hoodie. She would have been looking like Red Riding Hood, if you will. Can you guys visualize that? Visualize that right there? She's getting caught up. I got pulled over last night and thought I would end up on here. Hey, remember, if you ever end up over here, I need you guys to give me a shout out, if you will. I want to give a shout out to at Collect Call From, if you will, Your Honor. Please, please, gracias. Finally, you take your little hood off. Come on, you got to look presentable in front of your magistrate here, if you will. My mom's ADC, do you... I normally do a certain gentleman from California. I don't know. I think the judge, she might be cracking like an egg right now. I think she might be letting her go. She might be on the streets really soon.
Sorry, just taking me a moment to go through everything in your file.
Oh, were you? Give her a break. You remind me of a young Cheech Marin. Snap. I'm going to brush the mustache, if you will. Hey, she definitely got me in suspense right now. Is she going to let her go? Is she going to hold her? I don't know. Or is she reading it that it's all lies? Because I don't know. She's about to wolf down some Taco's bell if she gets out. It's like a cliffhanger, laughing out loud. Matthew writes, let her go. Let me see if it's taking that long to go through her file. She got a list on her. Nah, she's gonna double it and give it to the same person. Keep her. Keep her. Shave it for the universe. That's a filme, brocha. Hey, gracias. Yo, James, what did she do? I just joined. You know what?
What I'm going to do is I'm going to release you to the supervision of pretrial services.
What?
Your hearing date's going to remain the same on August 20th. You're going to receive an envelope with your paperwork. You need to make sure that you review the instructions and contact pretrial services once you've been released. If you fail to appear at this hearing, another warrant will issue and they'll likely hold you on bond at the next hearing.
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
Sean.
Thank you so much.
Okay, if you'll take a seat out there, they'll bring you your updated paperwork in just a moment. Okay?
Show! She's going to be out on the
David
streets.
Petro to the podium and Savannah Tafoya to the chair.
I think she failed to show up to court, if I'm not mistaken.
May I get your name and date of birth?
Pardon me. David Petro, 8/31/, 1973.
Thank you, sir. It does look like you are here on a new case. It is for one count of aggravated assault for Class 5 felony. Probable cause has been found, and I'm appointing an attorney to represent you. You have a status conference August 15th at 8:30 and a preliminary hearing August 19th at 8:30.
I just had my head on. I apologize, Your Honor. Can you tell me, I have this arrest date here. It says, let's see.
Hey, isn't this the dude from Toy Story 3?
250833. Pardon me. There's a 0 first. 03042. Okay. And I also have.
Hey, what's the name of that guy from Toy Story 3? The one that's trying to.
HX 2025081 023551. And I have.
That guy almost reads it. He reads as bad as I do.
One charge. I'm seeing 3.
Not Woody.
There's also.
You may have cases with the city of Phoenix. Does he have holds with other locations?
What's the name?
That I'm not certain about. I just see here, if you see, there's an arrest for the first one that which I had just given you. And
we got a niner.
The paperwork you guys gave him?
Yes, we don't. Let's see your paperwork.
Oh, this is a different name on there. That's the mistake. Different name. I apologize, Your Honor. I apologize.
You got someone else's paperwork.
Yes.
Okay. So you're only here right now for the 1 count of aggravated assault. I am appointing an attorney. You'll have a status conference August 15th at 8:30, a preliminary hearing August 19th at 8:30. You have a secured appearance bond in the amount of $500.
What charge was that?
You have a 1 count of aggravated assault, a Class 5 felony.
Okay, all right, I plan on walking, okay.
And so you have a bond of $500. In the event you post that bond, you have written conditions of release. You may not return to the scene of the alleged crime, and no contact with any alleged victim, complainant, or witness. All of that will be in your paperwork. Did you have any questions?
No.
Okay, just up to your left. The officer will give you that paperwork. Thank you, sir.
Oh, sorry, guys. I was...
Savannah Tavoya to the podium.
It was Toy Story 2, not 3. I was confusing the Toy Story 3 had the bear. I was talking about Toy Story 2. Is this is live? It can't. Now this is AI generated. Court can't be happening at this time right now. This is preposterous, I tell you.
Savannah Sweats 0131-96.
Can you repeat your name?
Savannah Sweats.
And your date of birth?
0131-1996.
Is she meditating?
We have the wrong Savannah.
Wrong Savannah?
I'm looking for a Savannah Tafoya, and she doesn't match the picture and wrong date of birth.
What's up with her arms? She has like little baby dinosaur arms. And she has no shoes on.
Okay,
what up, Regina?
Can I have Daniel to the podium?
Is she okay? I don't think she is.
The chair?
She's geeky. You can see her underwears. She's mad. I hate when they get the wrong Savannah.
Daniel?
All right, now put your arms to your sleeves. Pick up your shorts. Come right here.
Get me out of here. OMG. This can't be Savannah.
Can I get your name and date of birth?
Daniel Moriarty Tuñengos. 3/16/1990.
Thank you, sir. It does look like you are here on 2 cases. The first one is a direct complaint that was filed. It has an offense date of November 25th, 2024, for 1 count of narcotic drug possession, 1 count of dangerous drug possession, both Class 4 felonies, and 1 count of drug paraphernalia possession, a Class 6 felony. I am appointing an attorney and setting a status conference August 25th at 8:30 and a preliminary hearing August 28th at 8:30. You're also here on a Kyrene Justice Court warrant. It is for failing to comply with some classes or failing to pay some fines related to an assault charge from 2024. Due to the nature of your charges in that case, you're not entitled to court-appointed counsel. You will have an arraignment hearing in the Kyrene Justice Court on August 27th at 9:30. I am going to release you today on your own recognizance in the Kyrene Justice Court case. And on the new charges you have in the Superior Court, I'm going to release you to the supervision of pretrial services. You will get an envelope with your paperwork. You also have written conditions of release. You are not to possess any drugs without a valid prescription, and you may not drive a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license. You have 3 hearings coming up. You need to ensure you attend all 3.
Hey, what up, Frank?
If you fail to appear, a warrant will issue, and you'll be held on bond at your next hearing. Did you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, if you step to your left, they'll give you that paperwork.
Hey, this was walking like he's a mummy. Like, what's up with this fool? And he's on sandals. No wonder he got caught. This was wearing sandals. You can't be committing crimes and wearing sandals. Who does that?
May I get your name and date of birth?
Savannah Tafoya 063001.
Thank you, ma'am. It does look like you are here on a probation violation warrant with
somebody
allegations
translate?
you violated terms 3 and 5. I am appointing an attorney and setting a probation revocation hearing August 18th at 8:30. You have a secured appearance bond in the amount of $100. In the event you post that bond, you have written conditions of release. You may not possess weapons or alcohol, and you must contact your probation officer within 72 hours of release. All of that will be in your paperwork. Did you have any questions? Okay, just step to your left. The officer will give you that paperwork.
Dang.
Carrie Shepard to the podium and Erica Fernandez to the chair.
It's like the Night of the Living Dead out in Maricopa County. Jeez.
May I get your name and date of birth?
Carrie Shepard, 10983.
Looks like you're here on a new case. It is for 1 count of criminal trespass in the first degree of a residential structure, a Class 6 felony, 1 count of criminal trespass in the first degree of a residential yard, a Class 1 misdemeanor, and 1 count of disorderly conduct, a Class 1 misdemeanor. Probable cause has been found, and I'm appointing an attorney to represent you. You're going to have a status conference August 25th at 8:30 and a preliminary hearing August 28th at 8:30.
She's in disbelief.
I'm releasing you to the supervision of pretrial services. You are going to have written
She's gonna cry.
of release.
She looks like a crier.
The information does indicate that you do have a child in common with the alleged victim in this case. And so this is not a custody order or a parenting time order. However, you are not to have any contact with the alleged victim unless it's by email or text messaging, strictly to the issue of the child
What up, Tonka?
in common. You are not to harass him. You are not to go over to that location, again, with the exception of exchanging the minor child you guys have in common, but there should not be any discussion outside of that. All of this will be in your paperwork. Did you have any questions?
So I get released tonight?
You will be released from custody. You'll get an envelope with your paperwork. You need to follow the instructions and contact pretrial services once you've been released.
Okay.
Any further questions? Okay, just step to your left. The officer will give you that paperwork. Erica Fernandez to the podium and Alejandro Jimenez to the chair.
Anybody want to pick her up? She might be out by what is it? By sun up?
Name and date of birth?
Sundown.
Fernandez, 4/27/1980.
Sometime soon.
Thank you, ma'am. It does look like you are here on a direct complaint that was issued. It has an offense date of June 8th, 2021 for theft means of transportation, a Class 3 felony. I'm appointing an attorney and setting a status conference August 25th at 8:30 and a preliminary hearing August 28th at 8:30. In this case, I am going to release you to the supervision of pretrial services. You will have written conditions of release you need to comply with. You may not possess any weapons or alcohol, and you must contact your probation officer within 72 hours. You'll also get an envelope with your paperwork. You'll need to ensure that you contact pretrial services once you've been released, and then go to these hearings. If you fail to appear, a warrant will issue. Did you have any questions?
So I'll be out today?
If this is the only thing you're here for, which is the only thing I'm showing, then you'll be released in about 4 to 6 hours.
Thank you.
And then just one moment. Do you notice on here at the top IA, it says it's failure to appear. Do we need to fix that? Since it's a direct complaint. And does that change the hearings at all? No, it doesn't change the hearings. The hearings are right, but I'll go ahead.
Hey, being released is the best feeling ever.
Will remain. So if you'll just step to your left, the officer will give you that paperwork.
Hey, I'm always tired. I stay tired.
Alejandro Jimenez to the podium and Thomas Richter to the chair.
I woke up early this morning. I think I woke up like at 5. I was editing some videos. Where you been, Essay? We missed you.
What's your name and date of birth?
I went on vacation.
January 3rd, 1996.
Thank you, sir. It does look like you are here on a warrant from the Goodyear Municipal Court relating to failing to appear at a hearing for an offense date of March 18, 2025 for driving with a license that was suspended, revoked, or canceled. Due to the nature of your charge, you're not entitled to court-appointed counsel, but you can hire an attorney at your own expense. You have an arraignment hearing August 27th at 1 p.m. in the Goodyear Municipal Court.
I'm watching it on my computer.
Stay on your own recognizance. That is your promise to appear at that hearing. You have written conditions of release. You may not possess any drugs without a valid prescription, and you may not drive a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license. All of that will be in your paperwork. Did you have any questions?
Is it possible to move the time a little bit later just because of work?
So I don't have the authority to move that time because it is the municipal court. They provide us the date. Okay. I have included their phone number in the paperwork. You can contact them to see if they can accommodate the time, okay?
They also told me something about a $250 bond. Do I have to pay that tonight or?
So I'm releasing you without you posting that bond. If you fail to appear at this next hearing, you may be held on bond at the next time, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So if you want to watch these streams on
Thomas Richter to the podium.
You could check them out on my YT page at Collect Call From. I run these all day, every day, Monday through Friday, 365 days a year.
Thomas Richter, 3480.
Thank you, sir. It does look like you are here for a warrant out of the Hacienda Justice Court. It is for failing to appear at a hearing related to an offense date of May 17, 2025, and it indicates it's for 1 count of bow riding above the wakeless speed, a Class 2 misdemeanor. Sounds like a ticket you may have gotten while driving your boat.
Yeah.
Due to the nature of your charge, you're not entitled to court-appointed counsel. You will have an arraignment hearing August 27th at 9 a.m. in the Hacienda Justice Court. I'm going to release you today on your own recognizance. That is your promise to appear at that hearing. You will have written conditions of release. You're not to possess any drugs without a valid prescription, and you may not drive a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license. All of that will be in your paperwork. Did you have any questions?
Have a blessed day.
You too. Just step to your left. I'll give you that paperwork.
What do you guys think about this? She's letting everybody go free.
The remaining 3 house calls?
No, ma'am. Just the last two. Melina Gilbert is here.
Melina Gilbert is here. Okay. If I can have Melina Gilbert to the podium, please.
Over a boat? Too many pansy cops. Jail too. Fool. Bro got a ticket on a boat. I'll let him go.
Can I get your name and date of birth?
Melina Gilbert, 1499.
Thank you, ma'am. It does look like you are here on a warrant out of the Yavapai County Superior Court, in which they have indicated that you have violated your probation. I am appointing an attorney and setting an arraignment hearing August 13th at 8:30 in the Yavapai County Superior Court. They are holding you non-bondable on this case, so you will remain in custody, okay? All of that will be in your paperwork. Did you have any questions?
I have another court date this morning. Am I going to stay? Is that here, or?
Is that for the case that you were seen on August 5th?
Yeah.
Let me look.
Is that chase still going on, Tonka and Hector? Or did it come to an end?
I actually don't show any other open cases other than this Yavapai case. Do you know what case you're referring to?
It's for what I'm in here for right now. Theft of means, I believe.
Thank you, Jessica. They're still chasing? That thing's going to go on all night.
You were picked up and seen for unlawful means of transportation and given a bond of $1,000. Are you referring to that case?
Yeah.
Okay, so that is in Maricopa County. So if you have a hearing this morning in Maricopa County, they'll transport you to that hearing.
Okay.
And let your attorney know. You'll have paperwork they'll give you here in a minute. Let your attorney know about your other case in Yavapai County, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. We have 2 more parties that will be held as house calls. Case number 6, Charles Davis. Date of birth, July 26, 1988. He is unable to function and or is a danger to self or others. He is here on 2 cases. The first one is a new case for 1 count of facilitating shoplifting, a Class 4 felony, and 2 counts of resisting arrest, a Class 1 misdemeanor. Probable cause has been found, and I'm appointing an attorney to represent him. He has a status conference August 15th at 8:30 and a preliminary hearing August 19th at 8:30. He has a secured appearance bond in the amount of $500. He's also here on a probation violation. It is a Term 1 violation when he was picked up for this offense. I am appointing counsel and setting a probation revocation hearing August 18th at 8:30. He has a secured appearance bond of $1,000 in this case, so it's a total bond of $1,500. In the event bond is posted, he does have written conditions of release to include not returning to the scene of the alleged crime, no contact with any alleged victim, complainant, or witness, and he must contact his probation officer within 72 hours of release. Case number 8, Angel Lopez, date of birth July 2nd, 1998. Will also proceed as a house call due to being a danger to self or others. He is here on 1 count of aggravated assault, a Class 5 felony, 1 count of disorderly conduct, a Class 1 misdemeanor. Probable cause has been found, and I'm appointing an attorney to represent him. He has a status conference August 15th at 8:30 and a preliminary hearing August 19th at 8:30. He has a secured appearance bond in the amount of $15,000. He will also be released to the supervision of pretrial services for alcohol, drug testing, and monitoring. In the event bond is posted, he is not to return to the scene of the alleged crime, no contact with any alleged victim, complainant, or witness, and he may not possess any weapons or alcohol. If anything changes after I meet with these parties, I will update the written record. That does conclude our 11 p.m. calendar, and we will stand in recess until 2 a.m.
All right, let's go to the high-speed chase now. We got a chase.
They're closed. The games are over. Everybody's cleared out. But this right now, this guy's lost because he's gotten deeper. He is.
I'll put the volume down on the chase. So, yeah, semi. Not only not any semi. This is a milk semi full of milk. So our prices of milk might be getting a little bit higher. So if you wonder why, blame this guy here. This is a now it's a slow speed chase. They're located in downtown South Hope and Wilshire. Oh man! Everybody, get your bowls of cereal ready. There might be a lot of milk on the side of the road, if you will. This is downtown Los Angeles, if you will. So he carjacked a big rig, if you will. Hey, thank you for the follow. And this is live also, if you will. Bro is for his CDL. We'll help the homeless. Bro is practicing for his CDL. Hey, Marisol, thank you for that follow. Like, why are you going to go to a freaking high-speed chase in downtown LA? They got one ways over there, if you will. Liquid gold. He definitely stole. Is notice how he was not turning just when you thought you were seeing it all. Of all the places you could have gone to, downtown LA, without them freaking buildings, we can't see when they pull him out of the truck. Oh, he's by the Staples Center, or whatever the name of it is now. By Olympic. Oh yeah, Olympic and Figueroa. He might be getting back on the freeway. But I wouldn't recommend getting on the freeway right there. Normally, there's a lot of traffic right there on the 110. Too many buildings. Is this live? Nah, this is AI generated. I'm not even real. I'm actually in bed right now. AI is getting so good, I don't even have to participate in these lives anymore. This big rigs never run out of gas. These things go on for miles. I have my bowl spoon ready. That's right. No, I meant it's the stream. Yeah, it is. It's live. Yeah, it's happening right now. It's real time. The Ron is chasing him. What? All right, there goes the 110 right there. Hey, maybe he's gonna go pick up some lot lizards right there off of Alvarado and Olympic, if you will. Oh no, now he's oh, he's gonna jump on the 10 right there. The 10 freeways right there. He's on West 18th Street and South Figueroa. They're nearby. They're filming for GTA 6. Hey, thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. If the court hearings live or the court hearing was live, it just ended. Rosa, gracias, Rosa. Bro's doing a milk heist. I wonder what he's thinking. He's thinking he don't want to go to jail. For sure. Hey, they can do a pivot maneuver on this, vato. Straight to jail. Why doesn't he drop the trailer? Hey, imagine he could let the milk go. They try spikes? Yeah, you can't do that on freaking on a big rig. That fool could ram them over like a freaking tank. Where's he at now? He's on. Oh damn, he's all the way on Venice now. Venice and Broadway. Man, he's definitely doing a tour on downtown LA. Damn, right next to that bus right there. Hey, you know what? Even though he's going 33 miles an hour, that him hitting anything, it's definitely gonna be disastrous. If he hits a person, he hits a car, he could crash into a house or building. That's it. It's over. Game over. High-speed chase, downtown LA. That fool could hit you at 10 miles an hour with that thing, and that's it. Pushing up daisies, sleeping with the fishes. Is he gonna trade this in for a school bus now? He brake checks a cop. So now he's on East 16th Street and San Pedro, South San Pedro.
Would or wouldn't use spike strips for a vehicle of this size?
Shoot the tires. Hey, let us step up. Thank you for the follow. He was better off getting an ambulance.
When they run over those spikes, there are tubes inside, and then the tubes will stay in. They'll go over and they'll stay inside the tires. And what it's designed to do is to slowly let the air out. But these are
damn, this fool's going the wrong side of the road. Is this fool going on an exit? Oh yeah, this fool's going on an exit. Oh, this is gonna be bad. You can't turn this. He can't do a U-turn in the middle of the freeway.
This is what he was doing, was trying to drive on the shoulder of the road at the beginning of this pursuit.
Imagine you're driving on the freeway, you see a big rig coming your direction. Damn.
So fast, and there is not a lot of shoulder for him to be on right now.
No, and the thing here too is that because the vehicle is so large, even if you're on the shoulder, you see
Yeah, you gotta get out the way.
weaving away from the big rig. So now you're having to essentially merge into other lanes where there are more cars and more traffic. So even if the big rig is not directly responsible for a head-on collision, it might, you're right, exactly, cause a chain reaction, and that's a terrible situation.
Right there where he's driving right now, I once got a flat tire merging from the 5 to the 10. I was definitely on pins and needles. Imagine somebody's there, they're changing their tire. Talk about bad timing.
Especially now when you're going on the right side of the road, and there you go, now you lose a shoulder, then what happens?
What's happening right now? Are they trying to get, the freeway? Are they doing any kind of a traffic break to try to maybe shut this down? I know this is obviously just happening, but I can imagine they're going to want to try to stop it.
It's like watching a train wreck. Yeah, this is not gonna end well. He carjacked a big rig. He's definitely gonna need the milk when this is over. Monday morning in South Africa. Good morning, James. Hey, what up, Anita?
It's just not going to happen. They got the air unit overhead. But,
especially Dave, sorry to interrupt you, but because
no, that's what I thought. I thought it was a hazardous truck or a gasoline truck, but nah, they clarified it. They said it was a milk truck. I didn't even know they transport milk like this in this fashion. Hey, Gracie, thank you for the follow. Did he get stuck? Or did he jump out? Yeah, that's a good place to jump out.
Yeah, they sort of parked it where
or got stuck. I mean, is this the situation where finally their luck has run out and they didn't do that?
What do you guys think? Did he jump out and run?
So nimbly, believe it or not, for the last 20 minutes as they weaved through downtown. Hard to tell here. Dave, are you
got out. He's gonna run.
Think that this is a situation now where they've tried to make a run for it?
Yeah, I believe they.
Where the hell is Ron at? Is Ron down there already? Uber. He got a different truck. Jackknife. Nah, that doesn't look like jackknife to me there. He's gone. Yeah. Oh, that fool's gone. Oh, they're gone. Darren live ended. Hey, thank you, Chrissy. Ron got off. He got out.
Right, which is surprising.
WTF. Channel 7, Channel 7. Deron is way behind. Lost it on the freeway.
It makes it difficult just because of the way that it's parked.
The escape plan told you. They always do this. Told you. Writes Marisol. I see this is in your first rodeo. Deron got it on Instagram. That was probably a Jack in the Box, Jack in the Crack, getting a burger. This sucks is over. Right, Sky K. Larson. Blah. What happened? Just joined. There was a high-speed chase.
It appears now we're trying to see if we can maybe catch up to that white pickup. If that is in fact, where they believe these suspects were able to get. But we were talking
a white pickup?
When they went under the bridge, they wait for those overpasses. They wait for those parking garages.
He called Lester. Hold on, white pickup. Isn't that OJ?
And there's been consistency in knowing what the pattern has been so far, which is these are carjacking suspects. They tried to do it before. They did it with the big rig, so there's no surprise if they manage to do this again. Because especially considering
that fool's gone.
This pursuit has been going with that milk hauler, they were writing it out as much as possible. We're trying to zoom in and see maybe that's the one. And look, we're getting told that that is the white pickup truck that they now jumped into.
Oh, snap. They got him.
Hit the reset button. You take a deep breath, and you're now back into a typical pursuit scenario. We're in Boyle Heights right now on East 4th Street and South Chicago Street. But, Dave, all of a sudden now going back to that those variables, that playbook we were talking about.
I wonder if they still sell milk. You look a lot like Tate. Tate? Who's Tate? How Kelly is nuts. Hey, the only thank you for the follow.
They're talking to somebody, of course, but it just kind of like it was so out of the ordinary. The left, left turns.
I'm glad the milk made it okay. Hey, Chrissy, thank you for the follow. Hey, Marie, thank you for the follow. Did they get him? Nah, he got away. Well, they're on the run right now, Lexi.
Good point. I didn't even think about that. That this is another yet. What would this be? A third carjacking? If we started with shots fired, Silmar tried to break into those.
Damn, this fool. They're definitely looking at life. A big rig chase in L.A. No, this is Los Angeles. They're in Boyle Heights right now. Yeah, the white truck. That is correct. He's in my area. Hey, Chacha, you got to go out there and wave for us, if you will. We need a close-up.
Doors are opening, and it looks like it's hard to tell if that driver got out and now just getting back in.
Oh, yeah, this fool. This fool looks a little bit heavy set.
Switch of drivers, if maybe the person who was in the passenger seat, I mean, he got out of the back of the car, it appeared, and got into the front driver's side. Yes. I mean, this is bizarre. I mean, Dave, what are you thinking when you're watching this? I mean, what's going through law enforcement's head here? This seems to be very calculated individual.
Damn, that fool's going 70 miles an hour on 73 on surface streets.
What they're doing.
I don't even like going 70 in the freeway. Going 70 on the streets, surface streets? That's bananas. Now he's going 59, 60, 60, 60, 58, 63, 62.
Somebody may have been helping them because it was an ideal location. They always do that. They go underneath an overpass.
Man, yeah, you're absolutely right, Marisol, man. There's some innocent people